So yours number is 1A, or I think yours number is 1B. Tell me, so where do you live? Say something about the market of Rajgans.
The market of Rajgans is very good. They have all things which are needed by people. Also, the people of Rajgans are very kind and they help each other.
And do you have any hobby?
Yes, I like reading story books.
What kind of books you like most?
I like
Story books.
I like adventurous story books.
And what is your aim in life?
I want to be a software engineer.
And what do you like about your school?
I like most the teachers of our school. The teachers of our school is very good. They are very educated. They teach us very well.
And Ritik, where do you live?
I live in Madras.
And what do you think about the market of Madras?
The market of Madras is very big, and the market of Madras is very useful for the people of the Madras because it has all the facilities that the people of Madras wanted, and the people of Madras is also very nice. They help each other in every situation.
And what do you think about your school?
Our school is very big, and the garden of the school is also very beautiful, and the teacher is very well educated, and the teacher teaches very friendly.
And what do you want to become in future?
In future, I want to be
And what is your favorite subject?
my favorite subject is the English and maths.
Because I am here, so that's why you told me that English is.
No sir, English and maths is my favorite.
Now we shall enter into the next stage, which you will have to present your topics and listen carefully, because you will have to ask questions. It's important. And it is your turn to present your topic. So please present your topic.
My topic is games and sports. Games and sports is very important in human life. In the past, no importance was attached to games and sports. But now, we have realized the importance of games and sports. So every educational institution of our country provides for sports. As a matter of fact, games and sports are the necessary part of education. Games and sports are very useful. They improve our health and physical strength. When we take part in sports, our body gets vigorous exercise. When sports are held in open air, so when we take part in sports, we breathe fresh air, which improve our health and physical strength. Sports teach us many qualities. When we take part in games, we have to obey some rules, which teaches us discipline, which is very useful in practical life. Sports is very useful for sportsmen. He learns to work for his companions. He cooperates with his teammates. A good sportsman does not exult in his victory. He does not lose heart when he is defeated. Though games and sports are very useful, they are not free from disadvantages. They damage our health if we indulge in them too much. They take much of a student's time. A sportsman often neglects his studies. So students must strike a balance between sports and their studies.
Very good. Very good. Now, Ritik, please ask some questions from the topic, whatever you presented.
Our sports and games improve our health and physical strength.
When we take part in sports, our body gets vigorous exercise, which improve our physical strength. Sports are held in open air, so we breathe fresh air, which improve our health.
You have any questions, Ritik?
What are the disadvantages of sports and games?
Games and sports have many disadvantages. They take up much of a student's time. They damage our health if we indulge in them too much.
Very well. And now tell me, what are the features of a good sportsman?
A good sportsman does not exert in his victory, he does not lose heart when he is defeated.
Good. And what are the advantages of games and sports?
Games and sports have many advantages. They improve our health and physical strength. They are important for the improvement of our body and mind.
Very good. And now you are done, Ritik, to present your topic. And please listen carefully so that you will have to ask questions. Please, Kiran, what is the topic?
My topic is about pollution. We are living in the age where everything around us is polluted. The pollution is the main cause due to the industrial growth. It has many types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution are common of them. And the growth of industries cause many growth in pollution also. The industry dumps their waste material into the river so that the water is polluted, and the waste material produces many harmful gases, and the industries release them into the atmosphere, and therefore the air is also polluted. Pollution is also the main cause of affecting our health also. We cannot able to breathe fresh air and to drink fresh water, and due to which our health is suffering with many diseases. How to decrease pollution is the important question for all of us in our life. So the government of India take many steps to decrease pollution. We can also take some of the steps to decrease pollution, just to grow more and more trees, and do not cut trees or plants, and do not use waste water or polluted water to irrigate our land.
Yeah. Okay, now please ask some questions from the topic.
What are the causes of pollution?
Due to the cutting of trees and due to the industries, our environment is polluted.
How industries pollute water and air?
Industries pollute water and air by many ways. It pollutes our air when the unwanted particles such as the waste material of the industries produces many harmful gases, and then they release in the atmosphere, so air is polluted. And when the waste material of the factories dumped into the river, they pollute the water also.
Ritik, tell me how pollution affect our life, healthy life.
Pollution affects our healthy life because we cannot able to breathe fresh air or drink fresh water. So our health will suffer from many diseases such as cholera.
And how we can stop pollution, facing pollution?
By taking some steps like grow more and more trees, do not cut trees, and do not use waste water or polluted water to irrigate our land.
And by stopping the use of polythene bags. Very good. Now I will give you a few cards, and in which a problem is written. You will have to discuss upon a problem and present a solution after the discussion. Okay? One, read out and then discuss with your partner.
You both feel you are not able to speak English frequently. Discuss with your partner how can you improve your spoken skills.
Okay? Please.
I think we should have to improve our English by learning grammar rules.
We can also take help from a tuition teacher.
At first, we should have enrich our word power by reading magazines and newspapers.
After enriching our word power, we can also join a spoken classes of English.
I think spoken classes are not enough. We should have to talk in English with each other.
Yes, I agree with you. The regular practice helps us to improve our English very well.
Very good. whatever you have presented the topics means by taking grammar rules and by taking tuition and by taking spoken classes, you can enrich your spoken skill very well. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.